5. Coffee machine descaling. Because the hardness of the water used in different regions is different, the water will produce calcium carbonate and other sediments during the heating process. As the machine is used continuously, more sediments will be produced, which is easy to cause boilers, and the waterway is blocked. So the coffee machine needs to be descaled after a period of use. You can view the statistical information in the machine menu. When the total number of cups produced is about 1,000, the coffee machine needs to be descaled once. Press the icon in the upper right corner of the standby interface to enter the menu setting program. Select Service menu, enter the password 123456, and press the Confirm key. Select Maintenance Settings Descaling, and click Yes to confirm. Then follow the instructions of the machine to operate. Put about 700 milliliters of water in the water tank. Then pour 1 package of descaling powder. Stir to dissolve. Put the water tank back into the machine.